Okay, so this is a new anti-hornet spray developed by a university down in Kochi. You can actually spray it on bees without killing them. It doesn't kill the hornets. What it does is it releases a smell that they don't like. From what I've been told, imagine having poo thrown at you. So let's test it out. Brand new thing. Oh shit, shit, tried to sting me. So there's a couple of hornets from different nests here. They were just fighting down there. So let's just see. They should just, yep. And yeah, look, bees are still there. Some of them. No, the bees are gone too. Bees didn't like it. Oh, but it works.
It works. It repels all of them. It actually works tremendously well.
Okay, so let's try it on the bottle. So Drew just actually touched this bottle with his honey gloves, and actually they've actually gone from there too. But you're actually supposed to be able to spray it. Yeah, look, wow. Yeah.
It clears the place out.
Yeah.
It definitely has an interesting smell.
Yeah, right.
For us, it's not a bad smell.
Yeah.
But different.
Yeah, bees don't like it either. Oh well. But the bees are still there over in that hive, whereas the hornets, nowhere to be found now. Look, there's no hornets around.
No, the hornets have completely gone, and actually they're starting to return already.
Oh, they are?
To this box, yeah.
Oh, the bees though, no hornets here.
The bees are returning.
Yeah, the bees are returning. And the hornets aren't. Okay. Wow. It works!